Today I'm making sweet potato pone for the first time and I'm really excited. I bought these sweet potatoes a few weeks ago and before they could go bad, I want to put them to good use. Yes, so what do you think about that? Let's not waste our money, okay? They're not looking their best. Look at them. They're not looking their best right now, but I promise you when I picked them they were looking so good. They were really nice. I also have some edibles and cassava here, but I won't be using those today. I'm both excited and nervous about this journey at the same time, okay? So come along with me on this journey to make some Grenadian sweet potato pone. Let me know in the comments how you think I did and what I could do to improve. Yes. And don't forget to engage, guys. Please engage. It really helps me out with the algorithm and getting my videos seen. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my videos. Bye-bye. Also, I just want to input here, when choosing a coconut, just make sure there is water in it always, okay? That's a higher chance that you're going to get a good coconut if there is water in it. Shake it really well and make sure there is water in it, okay? All right, let's continue watching. So guys, if you're interested in knowing what ingredients I use in the making of this Grenadian sweet potato pone, just check the description. I will list everything I use in the making, and so that you can recreate your own, okay? Let's continue watching. So this here I'm adding back is some of the blended coconut that I have not squeezed out. I saved some on the side so I can actually do this, add it back into the pone mixture. As I've mentioned earlier on, this is my first time actually making the potato pone. I do know the basic ingredients, but however, I don't know the measurement. And my mistake was actually not even recording it as I go. However, what I did was I add in some flour, I put some to bake, and I see that it needed some more flour, so I kind of tweak the recipe as I go. And I just did like bake small batches so that I can see where did I go wrong, what did I need to do to add more. So you will find that I added a little bit of butter later on, because I actually looked up also a recipe and someone said I needed to add butter. I really wasn't gonna add butter, I really didn't know, but you don't, I would say with my conclusion, butter is not a necessity, because the coconut milk is also very fatty, so you don't have to add the butter. But my end result, I would say, tastes so good and it looks really good. But you're gonna also tell me in the comment section what you think. So let's go.